Alright, here we have Cosmo. So, hi, baby. Fresh from Arkansas. Just getting some quiet time in the backyard before we bring him inside. He's clearly nervous. I'm going to take it slow, but he's been doing well with me and the girls and Melissa. So we'll see how things go. We literally just got here, so. Baby. 21 pounds. Probably between 1 and 2 years old. Beagle mix, they call them. Neutered. Microchipped. Up for adoption through Canine. Just got here today as part of their 53 dog transport, which is the biggest we've ever done in one day. So he's probably tired. It's been a long trip. Let him get as much rest as he needs and see how he warms up to everybody. Hey, want to say bye? He's sweet. He's getting along. All right, see you guys.